You might be wondering, is there any way to play NFS Heat multiplayer offline? No internet, no servers, just couch gaming with friends? Here's the truth and I'll explain it clearly. First, NFS Heat does not support offline multiplayer at all. No split screen, no LAN, no local co-op, and no offline all-drive mode. NFS Heat multiplayer is called all drive, and it is 100% online only. It requires an active internet connection, EA servers, and an EA account signed in. If you go offline, the multiplayer option is instantly disabled. Now, what can you do offline? Offline modes still let you play the full story mode, solo races, police chases, car customization, day and night progression, and earning money and RRP. But every race is single player only. If you're trying to compete with friends without internet, the only workaround is take turns racing, use time trials, and compare lap times or scores. That's the closest thing to offline competition NFS Heat offers. So let's be clear, offline multiplayer in NFS Heat does not exist, and there is no hidden setting, glitch, or mod that enables it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.